Machines at Work, Bulldozers. By Cari, Meister. A bulldozer at work. What is clearing the path? A bulldozer. How does it work? Look at the sharp ripper. It breaks up hard clay. Look at the heavy blade. It pushes dirt. Look at the bumpy tracks. They keep the bulldozer from sinking. The driver sits in the cab. It is loud. She has earmuffs. Beep, beep. She backs up. The ground is flat. Now a road can be built. What more do? They make paths in the woods. Smash, crash. They move rocks in quarries. Rumble, tumble. Oh no! An avalanche. Push, plow. Now the cars can go. The end.